Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on a Dollar. I'm your host, Ida. Hi fam, so I'm trying to get better at this posting again. So I know that people say this a lot, but I have something very, very special, very, very unique that can be given for Valentine's Day, birthday, Mother's Day, just because day, um, proposal day, men, women. This right here, this is something that I haven't seen anywhere else. Now, part of it I have, but the other part I haven't. So, if you want to see what I'm talking about and possibly do something like this for your boo, mom, sister, daughter, then just continue to watch. And guys, I love you so much. I do. So, talk to you guys in a few minutes. Bye-bye. Okay, fam. So the first thing that I'm going to do is tell you to make sure you wear the proper equipment when you're doing this, because as you can see, those staples in there are very sharp, and you can see I'm eating my little snack. Who else like potato chips with hot sauce on it? Leave me a comment down in the comment section, and if you haven't tried it, try it, and then come back and leave me a message, a comment in the comments, and I bet you enjoy it. Thank you to all of the new people that clicked on this video. I hope you stick around and become a member and hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. And to all of my returning members, as you see, I am trying to come back every week to give y'all a video. So just be patient with me until I get the right day in order. Okay, and so I took a 8x10 picture frame, mirror picture frame that I got from TJ Maxx off at clearance. It was $11 on clearance, but 90% off of the clearance price. So as you can see, it was very reasonable. And I got this mirror mosaic. It's a matte tile. It's supposed to be like a placemat, but I'm just using it as mirror mosaic, and I'm going to cut it down to size by using part of the backing out of the picture frame. Now, as you can see, the picture frame is pretty deep, but we're going to use it in a reverse order. Now, you probably already know that we're making some type of tray, and you're going to say, well, Ada, that's not new. We've seen that before. We've seen it in the way you're doing it right now. But stick around, guys. Trust the process. Stick around. Trust your fam member. I got you. Okay. All right. So now after we get the mirror mosaic tile cut to size, I'm closing the back up. I'm not going to seal the back up because you're going to see why in a little bit. I'm going to make sure that the mirror mosaic tile is sticking down good. And I prefer to have had a regular size mirror to put in there, but I didn't have one, so I went with the mirror mosaic tile. And as you can see now, I'm just trying out different borders to see which one I want to put around the inside of the frame. And I'm going to elect to use this one, this beautiful chain link one, and it has diamonds and round diamonds and bar diamonds mixture in it. So I'm going to use E6000, and I'm going to actually use some strong scissors to cut between the joints of the bling, the rhinestones, and so I can put it on the inside of the picture frame. I'm not going to use a whole lot of glue, hot glue. I'm just going to use a dab, but I will say make sure that all of your E6000 is actually sticking to the picture frame before you close it up, because I do have one spot that didn't stick and is leaning forward a little bit, and I don't like that. So when I finish with this video and put it up for my own personal use, or whoever I'm going to give it to, probably my mom, for Valentine's Day, I am going to open it up and I'm going to fix it. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just using a mirror mosaic towel, and I'm just take this time to say thank you again. I know y'all get tired of me saying it, but thank you for always being here to support me. And guys, I love you so very much. So I'm going to finish putting that on, and I'm going to go a little bit further and tell you what's getting ready to happen so I can shut up for a little bit. I'm taking the extra bling and I'm cutting it up, and I'm going to make the mistake of gluing them down. You can see some of them glued down right here in the mirror, but don't do that. Don't do what I do. Just learn from my mistakes and just cut them up and place them in there, because we're going to add other stones as well, as you will see in just a second. Okay, see right here, I'm putting some of the diamond filler in there, and see, that is right there. Isn't this mind-blowing? You ain't seen this before. Yep. I'm putting dollar bills, y'all. It's $100 bills, but I wish it was real $100 bills, but nah, it's play. But if you got the grip like that, put the $100 bills in there, the real ones. But if you don't, put 5s, 1s, 10s, whatever you can in there for your significant other. And then you see I'm adding some Dollar Tree hearts and some Dollar Tree diamonds. And so then I'm going to close them up in there with the glass, the front, and we're going to have a banging tray. So you're going to have a tray to use afterwards, and you're going to have money to go with it. But as you can see, the reason why I tell you not to glue it down is because it stops the other diamonds from moving around freely, and it stops the money from moving freely. Also, right here, make sure you add a small amount of hot glue along with your E6000 or whatever permanent glue you're going to use, because I didn't at first and my mirror kept moving. And now I have some 0.5 by 3 inches or 2-inch mirror tiles, and I'm putting them around the actual glass of the picture frame. I'm sorry. And so this is going to serve as a border, and it's also going to serve as covering up the sharp edges on the glass. So after I do that, I'm going to put some handles on it, some more bling. These came from Amazon. I will try to put a link in it, but if I can't, they did come from Amazon. They have them in gold as well. But guys, if y'all think this is something, wait till next week. I told y'all in 2023, I'm trying to bring y'all some new glamorous things that you really haven't seen before, or you may have seen the tray, but not the way I do it. You may see the wall sconce, but not the ones I bring to you. So if you want to see some new and exciting things in 2023, come on, take this journey with us. And see, that's a 10,000 bill. That's a rack right there. And if you got it like that, go to the bank, get the real 10,000, put it in there, seal it up, and give it to your significant other. If you don't, order the play, the fake like I did from Amazon. It looked real. My husband thought it was real. I gave my husband some of it and told him to pay some bills with it, and he was getting ready to leave out the house to go do it too. I had to talk to him for about 5 minutes to tell him, babe, look at the money. Look at the money, babe. Look. And he finally looked at it and talked about, so what am I supposed to do with this? I said, pay the bills. That's what you were going to do, right? And he got mad and threw it down on the table. So guys, I'm quite sure the person that you give it to would think it's real as well. But it's the thought that counts. If I had 10,000 to give away, I would give it to my mom in a heartbeat for all that she has done for me in my 53 years of life in 2 hours. So y'all will be getting this video on my birthday. Yay! Okay, so back to the DIY. So yeah, guys, I'm just cleaning it up and taking all the extra glue from around it, and then I'm going to put it on display for you guys. So I really hope you enjoyed this DIY. I hope you took something from it. I hope you decide to make one for yourself. And see, that's how you get the money out. That's why I didn't close the back up, because you open it, you flip it open and you open it up and you take the money out, and then you can close it back and you have your tray. So guys, leave me a comment down in the comment area. Did I knock it out the park, or have you seen this before? If you have seen it before, tell me where you have, so I can give the other person props. And until next time, guys, you know what? I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you to the moon and back again. And when I say that, I truly, truly, truly mean it. Bye-bye, guys.